I thought this was going to be an easy winner. Open Cascadeur, open Blender, spend a few hours with both, pick the better one. Done. Yeah, it didn't work out like that. The more I use them, the more I realize people keep comparing two tools that solve completely different problems. If you're trying to decide which one deserves your time, don't make the mistake I almost made. The first time I opened Blender, it honestly felt like walking into the cockpit of an airplane. There are menus everywhere, hundreds of tools, and about a million things you can click. That's not a criticism, it's because Blender can do almost everything: modeling, sculpting, texturing, animation, rendering, VFX. It's basically an entire creative studio packed into one application. Then I jumped into Cascadeur. Completely different experience. Instead of asking me to learn 50 different tools, it focused on one thing: character animation. The AI assisted posing, auto physics, and motion workflow made it much easier to get a character moving naturally without fighting every single keyframe. I wasn't trying to build a spaceship or render a movie scene. I was just trying to create believable animation, and Cascadeur kept pulling me back to that goal. But here's the catch. If tomorrow someone asked me to build a complete animated short film from scratch, I'd still open Blender first. Why? Because Cascadeur isn't trying to replace Blender, it's designed to make one part of the pipeline faster. Once you understand that, the comparison starts making a lot more sense. So the real question isn't which software is better, it's what are you actually trying to create? If you're a beginner who mainly wants to learn character animation without getting buried under hundreds of features, Cascadeur feels much less intimidating. But if you want one application that can take you from a blank scene all the way to a finished 3D project, Blender gives you room to grow for years. After testing both, I honestly don't think there's a universal winner. I'd use Cascadeur when character movement is the priority. I'd use Blender when I need complete creative control over an entire project. Different jobs, different strengths. Now I want to hear from you. If you could only install one of these today, which one would it be, and what's the first project you'd build with it? I'm really interested to see where everyone lands on this one.